But with great power comes great headaches? The ECU bugs are legendary at this point. Many riders have reported ride modes resetting, traction control errors, and random warning lights. The suspension is stiff, the engine heat can be brutal in traffic, and the clutch action is heavy in daily riding. Riders bought this expecting high-speed touring bliss, but too often they find themselves dealing with minor issues that kill the experience. For a $20,000 plus bike, that's a tough pill to swallow.